guys, today, as you know, I've heard near Dallas in Texas, you've whatever that was, you've been seeing some tornadoes popping up. It's sprinkling right now. See all over the car. Not gonna show too much. This thing's fogged up right there. I remember my 2 months ago video, right? That's editing. Wallpaper was like this. That was wallpaper. The same thing, but it fogged up. I gotta get too close to the street. But this is that water. Sort of gosh, is that a tornado right there? Is that a tornado? Is that a tornado? Can't be. I'm not gonna go too close to the street. But here. Newspaper. Oh, some newspaper. I'll get that. Bird. 2, actually. Yeah, I have sprinkle droplets on my phone screen. And SpongeBob, can I put you somewhere? Stay right there. Yeah. That. Look at that. Look at that. Look. What? Listen. Yeah, listen. As how I just don't get wet. Not gonna show the address or the license plate. I can see the license plate right now. No, the numbers are, and I can't. Oh, but power line buzz. Oh. Yeah. These leaves are soaked. Look. They get dirty. I'm gonna take a shower later. Let's see if I can tear it with my foot. Yeah, I did. Ooh. Ew. Nothing. Yep. That's that. Ooh. Okay, that's a tornado for sure. I'm gonna keep the camera on that. That's definitely a tornado. Look, that's a tornado. SpongeBob. That is for sure a tornado. It's that one right there. That one right there. That one. Right there, that's a tornado. Looks like. Just look how white it is. One of these clouds are gray, but that one's really white. So yeah, that has to be a tornado. Sorry, finger. Yeah. I keep. Ew. Remember that leaf I just crushed? Yeah, look at that tornado. Let's see if it forms anywhere near here. I just said here because I don't want to give the location, but look how dirty my hand is. I have to hold it still. I think it's about to rain. This is me scratching my head. Look at the power lines. I wonder if they're going to spark anytime soon. I gotta quit showing my hand because that's going to happen. Yeah. Oh, there's another right back there. Double tornado hot. Let's go see the backyard. Okay, here's the backyard. I got 2 of them. I'm like, oh. I don't know if I should go out there, but I can't zoom because I have camera issues. And look what just happened. Here, let's look. There's like a little patch. It's like a, foot. There's like droplets right there. My foot is just right there. Oh, wait, look. That dog scared me. And my body's not out there, but the whole camera is. Pick up. I'm gonna edit this. Ew, what's that? Yeah, look out there. Look under the chair. I got my haircut the other day. In that chair, I think. I don't really want to show my face right now because I'm trying to do videos. That dog, I swear. Too much droplets. I can't like look at the camera. Y'all to see that continuous. Okay. I think that's gonna be it today. Maybe make another video. There's a tornado. So that is gonna be it. Bye bye.